Welcome back. This will be a brow tutorial using the Defined and Refined Brow by Benefit. Let the magic begin. This brow kit comes with 4 items. I'm only going to use 3. The primer that I use to condition my brows, this eyeliner and brush to do my eyebrows, and this wand. I don't use the highlighter because I'm too dark. There's a notch where you put at the base of your nose. And make sure you read the instructions too, like I did. Thoroughly. The instructions show you to put this at the base of your nose to create 3 points along your brow from the start, the middle, what I'm doing here, which is kind of hard because I need to know where the middle part of my arch will be. And then the tail of my brow, which I usually don't draw that far down. Notice my slight confusion. Now we're going to fill it in, making a line at the bottom and at the top. A nice clean line. Once you have the shape drawn in, it's time to fill in. I draw it in darker at the tail end of the eyebrow and mimic hair strokes at the beginning. I rub the beginning part just to fade it out a little bit more and to blend. Now I'm all good to go. Yay! Hi! This is going to be a brow tutorial for darker brows using the... Hi! So welcome to my brow tutorial. Yay! I will be using the redefined, for defined... Welcome to my brow tutorial. I will be using the Defined and Refined Brow from, okay, that's really shitty. Welcome back.